Chef Mehdi. I'm going to show you how to cook winter squash the easy way. First, we have a butternut squash here. We're going to simply cut the top and bottom off, then cut it right in half. This is a pretty hard vegetable. Make sure you have a heavy knife. It's nice when it has these ridges. It helps the knife from sticking to the vegetable. The next step would be to just peel it off. This one you can go a little deeper than other vegetables because the skin is pretty tough. And we're rotating it with each cut, turning it clockwise. So that way you can see what you have to cut. Just gonna move this peel away. And now we can remove the seeds. We're gonna use a big spoon like this and just go right in and scoop the seeds out. I'm applying a little bit of pressure as I'm scooping. You can see it gets all the seeds out cleanly. And now we're gonna start dicing our squash. So for the bottom, just to give it a few slices, lay it down flat on the board. Cut it again, and one more cut. So now we're gonna put the squash into a bowl. It's microwave safe. We're gonna put a lid or a plate over it and put it in the microwave for 10 minutes, giving it a stir halfway through. And that's how you cook winter squash.